So hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So hope you all are doing well, and this video is gonna be about two trades that were back-to-back winning trades. I took them in gold and Gbpjpy. So these were some of the amazing trades which I have been recently focused on. So pardon me for gold. I didn't take another trade in gold. One trade was in Gbpjpy and another trade was in Usdjpy. So this video is going to be breaking down these trades, that why I took these trades, why I placed the orders in the time, in that in the particular time, why I entered in that particular time, and what was my exit plan, what was my stop loss, what was my entry criteria, what were my exit criterias. I will be focusing on in this video. So for complete transparency purposes, I will be showing you my account in which I am trading. So this is the account in which I am trading, and in the trading overview, as you can see in the trading overview, only two trades it took me, Gbpjpy and USDJPY. As you can see here, Gbpjpy, on Gbpjpy we made around $1,240, and on USDJPY we made around $1,100. So it's a $50,000 account. As you can see, it's a $50,000 account. And if you see the analytics, we cannot see the analytics haven't been updated yet, but PNL order type, win loss ratio, if you will see, win ratio is 100. As you can see, profitability, we have full on 100% win rate, because we have took two trades only, and two trades were two trades hit the TP, and pretty much going well. As you can see, this is the account. So this was initial balance was $50,000, and we are currently sitting at $2,341. So it has only been one trading day, but we still managed to capture somewhere around more than 4%, more than 4.5%, I guess. So this were the trades. This is one of the trade in USDJPY, which was of around $1,100, and this was around $1,240. This trade over here, not this trade, this is the missed trade. As you can see, I have written here, this is the missed trade which I didn't take, and this is the trade over here which I took, and made about $1,240 on Gbpjpy. So first we will breaking down this trade over here. So as you can see here, pretty much we were just pushing down. We were completely bearish up till here on the 30-minute time frame, and here we got some sort of a trend reversal, and we started consolidating over here, and this was around 11:30 IST, and at 12, as you can see here, we got a break and close above this resistance over here. So about which resistance I'm talking about this micro resistance over here. So we consider this as a resistance, and we got a break and close above this resistance zone over here. And there were if we according to my strategy, if we get a break and close above a resistance around pre-London session, so there are higher probabilities for the price to continue pushing up. So exactly the same thing happened which I anticipated, but I didn't take this trade because I wasn't around the charts during this time. So that was my mistake overall, but still then we missed the trade, but we got another one, we got a better one, as you can see. So this trade was around a very very good trade. As you can see, we got a broken closure of this zone, and we had a clean range over here up till this resistance over here, and market continued to push up and covered this clean range over here. So yeah, after that what happened was, we this candle over here, as you can see, this candle over here, this candle closed in this resistance. So we didn't have any, now we don't have any trades, we just exited. This trade is over. Actually this trade isn't over until now. Yeah, you can say it, you can exit, because you have got the desired amount of pips which you anticipated to cover, but it's upon you. Because sometimes market was, what market does is, it just flips around, just before hitting the TP, and there were only, it's just something around 1 to 2 pips. With 1 to 2 pips not captured, market flips around. So it isn't, I will say, if that situation happens and you didn't book some partials, and market just flips around with complete lot size, then you are an idiot. Because when the market was in favor and market was about to hit your TP, you didn't book anything. So that's completely foolish of you. So what happened was, this trade got exited. This missed trade, actually, I didn't execute any order for this trade. So this trade was completed in this candle. And also this candle, what this candle did was, this candle was a break and close above this resistance over here. So this candle gave us a confirmation of re-entering into a trade. Re-entering, we have another opportunity. This candle, was the indication of that we have another opportunity, because there is also a clean range on the left hand side after this resistance. As you can see, the range was so clean, so clean, so clean, that it got, the range was completely covered just with one candle, as you can see. So this candle, only this candle was the winning one. Not the winning one, what I will say, only this candle, only one candle, you know was enough to take our TP. So what happened was, after break and close above this resistance, we got entered into this bearish candle over here, this bearish doji candle over here, and pretty much nothing. And at 14 at 1:30 IST, as you can see, at 1:30 IST, at 13 actually. So this is the London Open candle, and this is the London session candle, which gave us a indication of like another opportunity. So this, in the doji candle, what our entry was, and pretty much around 1 hour we didn't see any move. In fact, we were just close to hitting our stop loss. We almost completely covered up till here, more than 50% of our drawdown. But still then I didn't book any partials around here. So I just executed my order and I slept. Just that simple. Because I don't want to see my running positions, because I don't have to. Because the thing is, after entering into this trade, my stop loss was around the previous low of this candle over here. So I was anticipating, if price turns back and somewhere re-enters this zone over here again, this consolidation zone over here, then I will be exiting the trade. I will not be tolerating the flipping back of the price, because we are already in, overall, as you can see, we are already in a bearish downtrend over here. So there are high probabilities for the price to continue pushing down if it reverses back. So yeah, it was pretty much, that's it for this trade. And my TP was around inside this zone over here, at this resistance my TP was, and my stop loss was around below this candle over here, which gave indication. So this was the trade in Gbpjpy, which made us $1,240, and in USDJPY the same thing. What we got is In USDJPY it is something little bit different, because we got a break and close above this resistance over here. We got a break and close above this resistance over here. As you can see, I considered this as a resistance. What we were anticipating was, we were also in a continuous downtrend. As you can see, continuous downtrend, but we also got a break and close above this resistance over here. Let me mark for you so that you can easily identify it. So this was the resistance. So we got a broke and close above this resistance over here, and this was around 6:30. So around in Asian session. So 6:30 IST around Asian session. So we got a broke and close above this zone, this resistance over here, and we started immediately after that. We started consolidating. As you can see here, immediately after the break and close of this resistance, we started consolidating. And around 12 o'clock, around pre-London session, we again got a break and close above this resistance over here. This resistance over here. So after getting this break and close above this resistance, again at 12:30 we also got a bearish candle. But the thing is, why still my entry wasn't there? Because I was not around the charts during 12:30. So if I would have, if I would have been in front of the screen now, I would have executed my order. My entry point was something around here, would be around here, but still then I wasn't around the charts. That's why I got some kind of a little bit good entry, you can consider. So my entry was around here in on this candle, because when I was around the charts, this candle was forming up, this bearish candle was forming up. So as soon as this candle got closed, I executed my order for buy long USDJPY around this candle, when this candle opened around 1 o'clock IST. So my stop loss goes around this, below the low of this candle, as you can see, below the low of this candle, and it was a 1.9 hour trade, and in Gbpjpy also the trade was around 1.9. So basically the same risk is to reward ratio trades. So my SL goes below this candle over here, and my TP goes at this resistance, as you can see. So yeah, we after entering into this trade, we also, after entering around 2 to 2.5 hours, we were just consolidating, but it took only one candle to take profit. So yeah, that's what I will say, patience pays off in trading. So what I did was, if I would have been around the charts, if I have been around the charts during my opened positions, I would have booked some partials when I would have been in drawdown. As you can see, this trade was also in drawdown. This VIX over here indicates that we were also in drawdown, and also here we were also in drawdown. But still then, patience pays off. I just slept peacefully after executing two trades, because you know what can my what I will say is, the amount which I risked per trade, at this trade, also at this trade. So it was around $600 around this trade, and $600 around for this trade. So I risked around $600 for this, and $600 for that. And if combined, if what is the worst case scenario, that we get stopped out in both of the trades, so we would have lost about $1200. But what's the best case scenario? We would have made $2341, which exactly the best case scenario happened actually. But you always have to prepare yourself for the downside. So why I slept after executing two orders because I was, because the amount which I risked, I was completely okay with it. If I would have got stopped out in both of the trades, it will not, bother me at all, because my total loss limit for daily, as you can see, my daily loss limit was $2,500. So if I would have got stopped out in both of the trades, I would have still lost about $1,200, which is, completely acceptable for a $50,000 account. So yeah, this was this was, all about this two trades which made me around $2,341. So yeah, this was all about the video, guys, and hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have learned something from this video. Most probably, and most efficient way of trading is price action and volume. That's it. Don't overcomplicate things. I don't like to overcomplicate things. It's just simple strategies and simple price action based trading. So this was all for the video, guys. Hope you got some immense value out of this video, and I will be signing off. Anshuman Rao here. Peace out.